In this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw a line or lines on your videos in Filmora video editor. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so drawing any shape is quite simple, and for this case, I want us to draw a straight line. To do that, first go ahead and open your Filmora video editor and then add your video on your timeline. Once you have added your video on this timeline, it's time to go ahead and select the shapes tool, and the shapes tool is here. If you point on it here, you can see this is a drawing tool. Now if you go ahead and click on it, you can see we have various shapes that are available. Among them is line, and we would like to go ahead and select that line. And you can see if I just click on it, it will select the line option, and now it has changed its shape. This means you can now go ahead and draw your line anywhere that you wish on your video or on your image. To draw, just go ahead and move the line, and this will draw a straight line. You can adjust it or move it wherever you wish. So that is the line. You can also draw as many lines as you want, as long as this is selected. If you wish to draw another line, you will want to go ahead and select it again and then come and draw. Once you have drawn that line and adjusted its shape, you can also go ahead and change the color of the line using the edit button here. So if I click on this edit button here, you can see we have various options here. We have here the line style, we have none, and so many others. You can choose whatever you want. Now if your line had a color fill, you can remove it if you want it to be transparent, or you can leave it as so. You can also go ahead and change the transparency or opacity of the line by using this. You can also go ahead and make an adjustment of the border, such as change the color of the line. If you use this color option under border, you can now change this color from white to any color that you so wish, and you can see each and every time I tap on the color, it will go ahead and change the initial color to the color I've just selected. And there we go. Now if you also want to make the line maybe more bold or more thick, you can also go ahead and adjust the thickness using this adjusting button here. So this will go ahead and make the line thicker or thinner as you wish. Once you're done, now you can click on OK to save your changes. So that's how you can draw a line on your videos or on your images in Filmora video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.